Hi, this is Sanjay Gangal from GIS Cafe. I'm here with Julian Lasso, Managing Director at Optech Europe. Hello, Julian.
Hi.
Julian, how's the show been going for you?
Well, it's early to tell, but it looks pretty good. There is already a lot of people stopping by the booth, and we have a lot to show. So I hope the next 2 days will be as good as today.
That's great. And what are you showing at your booth?
Well, first of all, as you know, about a year ago or a year and a half ago, Optech acquired the company Dynamac, as well as almost a year ago they acquired another US company called GSI, and today we all under a single umbrella of Optech. And this is why now you will not find the name Dynamac anymore or GSI, but everything under Optech. So that's the first thing we're trying to show in this booth is that new global organization which is active in LiDAR, which is the core competencies of Optech, but also now in providing cameras and also software solution for post-treatment. So there is actually a lot to see at the booth.
Okay, so tell us more about the software and the cameras.
Okay, well, in terms of cameras, so we try to putting together two different types of technologies coming from those different acquisitions Optech made over the last couple of years, and we're really bringing some unique technologies such as our true FMC or replaceable shutters, some particular softwares to make the data acquisition and so forth and so on. We're also providing not only RGB cameras but thermal multispectral cameras, so a whole range of cameras that we combine with LiDARs today to offer a complete solution from passive imagery to active imagery. So I think Optech is really becoming a strong player in providing a global solution rather than dedicated piece of equipment. And that's what we're looking for.
Okay.
And in terms of software, we made a particular partnership and joint venture with the company Cardinal, and we have now some unique release of their software solution, the VR mapping for our application that we use for the photogrammetric application or the LiDAR applications too. So you really can get from the hardware to the software everything from Optech today.
That's great. And can you tell us more about what our customers do you generally sell to, both in LiDAR as well as in photogrammetry?
Well, our customers are really addressing a lot of different markets today, from corridor mapping, where they can use the LiDAR combined with the cameras, to large-scale mapping using only photogrammetric cameras, such as our large formats, or actually going into very dedicated niches where you need thermal application, multispectral application. Now there is a tendency to where we see all clients looking for solution where they can not only provide the LiDAR of the imagery, but both things together, well bundled together, and also adding some added values data such as the thermal imagery. And we definitely think a trend in providing different sensors nicely combined together, where for the users it's easier actually to run, and because they can then gather a lot of different information from a single flight. That's efficient for them, and that's efficient for their users, because now they can just look at the information in a different way. So yeah, that's pretty useful.
Can you give us some examples of thermal and multispectral imagery? What applications are there?
Sure, thermal forestry. But the very big market for thermal that it's starting to raise, it's everything linked to heat loss from cities, from buildings, but at large levels. So that's a very a common use for thermals. Multispectrals, everything linked to a vegetation analysis, crops detections, and so forth and so on. That is very dedicated, but can be really helpful again in vegetation purposes mainly.
Okay, that's great. Anything else that you would like to add, Julian?
Well, I think Optech is a changing organization right now, providing more than what they used to do in the past. So I welcome everyone to basically look at our website, which, by the way, is going to be a brand new website in a few couple of months from now. So with a new way to actually show all the new projects we have, and I think people should really pay attention to the new Optech, let's say.
And where can people find out information about Optech?
So I would say website. If you are at the shows, of course you stop by the booth, and then it's very easy to find resale. I mean, our sales force now, either from Europe, with the office I'm managing, or from Canada, from USA, even from China, from Russia. We have people everywhere. We have a very large network. So just give us a call and we'll make sure people will respond to that.
Okay, and your website is optech.com?
Optech.com, indeed.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you very much, Julian.
Well, thank you for your time. Thanks.